Choose your fighter. Fight.
You are my sunshine, my... Hello everybody, it's voiceover Amber here. Today I will be drawing and making a cardboard cutout of Sangwoo from KillingStalking. I will be painting and drawing this piece, and you'll be able to see the whole process in time lapse. Please don't hate. Here I'm just showing you something I've done of anime sorts. I don't paint in the anime style that much, but I did this on a CD for my friend. And yeah, I hope you're ready to go through this journey with me. So I know the shot is a little bit farther away, but I'm just sketching out Sangwoo's legs, and if you see me ever lean over this piece, it's me having a mental breakdown about my sketching. So yeah, this will zoom in soon. We've zoomed in, now I'm working on the face, and I struggled a lot with the face and the arms because, as you can tell, my drawing is off-centered, but it ended up working well in the end. And quickly, in time-lapse speed, we have finished the sketch and we're going to get into the painting of it. Now, as you can tell, I drew harsh highlights and shadows because that's what they do in anime. Everything's very harsh, it's not blended very well, but I'm very excited to do this. Now I've mixed up his skin tones and they're not exactly correct, but as you can see, all the shadows and the highlights of his skin are very, very different. They're not very close in color. And then I go straight into outlining everything in black. Not brown, black. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like how his pants turned out, but they were kind of an odd gray color in the end. Sorry for this weird box shape. I recorded this in portrait by accident and couldn't redo it. But this is how it turned out. You'll get a better image of it in the end. But now we're going to be cutting this out on the edge and making it into the cardboard cutout. So I realized pretty quickly how hard this was going to be because I don't own an X-Acto knife. And I was also wondering if I could even show me cutting it in YouTube because I do end up stabbing the poster, but I'm pretty sure I can show it, and I got foam everywhere. Weirdos, please don't look at my feet. I was trying to get them out of the frame, but it didn't work. And here's the final product. Here's me cleaning up everything so you don't think I'm a slob. And for the end of this video, I just want to show some pictures I took with Sangwoo and even a TikTok. This was so exciting and fun to do, and I hope I can do it again someday.